because this is exactly what I want to focus on for that class. I get a lot of questions like this. And I always say, well, you got to do the work of a data scientist. Well, I'm going to show you how to do that work, right? How I would approach it. So that's where I would focus for you, Talhart. Develop a portfolio that really shows that you know the work of a data scientist. So you're going to have to create something that's that's highly defined by steps and phases, right? Here's the article I read. Here's the data that I collected based on that. Here's what that data told me and the hypothesis I could create from that. Here's the experiments for that. Here's the code that I wrote for that. And here's my conclusion. Right? You're going to have a portfolio that literally breaks it out into all of those stages and does the work. That's what's going to help alleviate some of those concerns when they say, well, he didn't really go to college, right? So I hope that helps you. Try to not get discouraged, because I know it can be very discouraging, but do the work on your own. Do enough work where you could get hired as a freelance data scientist, because there are freelance contracts available, and kind of keep going down that path.